How to delete your search history on Google Play Store. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Google Play Store. First, open the Play Store on your mobile device. Now tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar, and here you will find your search history, which you can delete. Now go back and tap on the profile icon from the top right corner. Tap on Settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down and tap on Clear Device Search History. Finally, tap on Clear History. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.